If you notice something behind the front screen of your Osmo Action Cam, I have the solution for this issue. It is very quick and easy.
Remove battery. Insert memory card. You need to be at least 64GB memory card. Then find external power source. Straight from the wall is recommended. Press the power button in the camera. Set the camera for video, normal video. Set the resolution to 4K 60 frames per second. Why 4K 60? In this resolution, this camera will get hot, warm, very warm. Press record button. Leave the camera upside down in this position for at least 1 hour. This camera will get really warm, and all the water or whatever it is inside this camera, moisture, whatever it is, will evaporate through this hole. After 1 hour, stop the recording, turn off the camera, remove the external power source cable, insert, turn on the camera, switch the screen, and your camera is great again. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.